Hello, ladies and gentlemen. ये गर्मा गर्म कॉफी के साथ let's start this conversation. I am in conversation with Amitabh Pandey. He has not come up with 3 books, but these are like 2 of them are old books and one is a brand new one. This is not a trilogy because इसके और भी parts आने वाले हैं. That's what he told me. This is a Gautam Shukla thriller. It's a fictional character. And joining me today in conversation is Amitabh. What's up? How are you? Welcome to AU Live Podcast.
Thank you. Very great to be here with you.
हम कैमरा के पहले मतलब जस्ट शूट की बटन जब दब रही थी उसके पहले हम बहुत सारी बातें कर रहे थे. How did the character flow? What has been your journey? So just give us a small brief about your life and क्यों हिमालय के फुटहिल्स पे ये 3 स्टोरीज आपने लिखी.
Okay. Well, my life has been 66 years now, and I'm originally from the Kumaon, although I've never really lived there because everybody left generations ago. But there is, and I've studied there, so there is a very strong attachment to the mountains.
And how many years you studied there?
I studied there for about 5-6 years, and since my parents lived there for some time off and on, so one has lived there for longer.
True.
So there is a very strong attachment to the hills, especially the softer hills of Kumaon. So that is there always, and I studied there, as I said, in school. Then I went off and studied in Delhi. Then, like far too many middle-class Indians, I opted for the government and spent 25 years there. And
किस modesty से बोल गया आप?
नहीं, modesty तो नहीं है, fact है कि कुछ हमारे ज़माने में this category सरकारी नौकरी was supposed to be the thing. It all changed gradually, but in those days it was the thing, and so one followed that beaten path. And then I quit and I joined the private sector for 5 years. And then when I finally quit and came home to Noida, I thought I've been reading what they call escape literature all my life. Why don't I write some? And how should one write it, and where should it be positioned? And I said the place that I'm most fond of, that is the mountains of Kumaon, and the place I'm most familiar with, which is the National Capital Region of Delhi. So these books are all they oscillate. The action oscillates between Delhi, NCR, and the Kumaon Hills primarily. And
one quick question about your personal life. Feel free to give me any kind of answer. When you actually retired, why didn't you actually thought of like going back to Kumaon, or मतलब it's a very new land for you because you never stayed there, but ऐसा कभी दिमाग में थोड़ा बहुत भी an iota of doubt तो नहीं बोले जाए, an iota of ऐसा कुछ आया कि चलो यार ये कर सकते हैं कभी?
नहीं, it's always been a dream, although dreams are very hard to implement.
True.
To sort of have a home in the hills, but it's not easy, and one was very Delhi based basically, and all the people one knows are in Delhi. I mean,
it's a paradigm shift.
It's a major shift,
yeah.
Because all my life I've been in what you call North India, urban North India.
Urban North India. और उसके बाद मतलब एकदम ही fundamental बहुत बड़ा shift है, right?
It's a very major shift, and one has always been visiting the hills. Hills have been always part of our life all the time, but we never actually sort of settled there.
True. And it has its own set of challenges. If you are raised in that particular environment, obviously, आपके लिए it's a very different ball game as compared to somebody who has always lived in plains and metro cities and then actually.
It is a very major thing.
There.
Yeah, it is a very major thing.
Let's talk about these 3 books. मैं ऐसा कर देता हूँ कैमरे में. Himalayan White, Himalayan Hazard and Himalayan Refuge. Let's talk about the first one, Himalayan White. क्या story है? कब सोचा कि लिखा जाता है? And what was the preface? Like, first book is one of the most important books in any author's life. First book is like the major earning you can ever earn. How was the first book, the experience of writing the first book?
Oh, the experience was, well, it was hard because for me writing is not easy. Writing is an effort. It's a major effort. Reading is far easier. You pick up and you read what somebody else has created, but to sit there and create something which is halfway sort of interesting is a major challenge, at least for me.
And this happened suddenly after retirement?
Yeah, after retirement I was sitting at home and for once watching movies on television, which I'd never done in my life. And I said, यार कितनी movie देखेंगे? why don't we, or reading books, and I said, let's
Kuch
try and write
productive
some.
kar rahe,
Let's
kuch
try and write
productive.
some. And and it should be a thriller because I've been reading thrillers all my life. And then the question of what to write. I mean, so one thing was obvious that yes, it should be between the National Capital Region and the mountains. Mountains should figure in it primarily. And as I was telling you earlier, years ago I had seen a headline or a small story, not a headline, a very small story in some newspaper that a young woman was kidnapped, abducted from a busy street in broad daylight in the National Capital Region somewhere, I think it was Noida. And it was quite a jolt, when you read something like this, you say, this can't happen, this happens in movies and stuff, it doesn't happen in real life, but it happened. And that somehow stuck. And obviously one forgot about it. But when I sat down, with the computer open and staring at a blank page and say, how do you start? This thought sort of bubbled up, and it just like that, that is a good hook on which to hang a story. So I just used that and started to create characters.
So you write in computer?
I write on the computer, yeah.
Very good.
I don't touch type, but I don't have the patience to learn touch typing, but I type with 2 fingers, but it's reasonably efficient.
Which is fine. Like every author has their own, every writer has their own way of writing. Some prefer, still till date prefer writing with a pen or maybe like a pencil on a clean paper. Some prefer iPads and tablets, mobile phone dictation, n number of possibilities. It's good to hear somebody saying कि नहीं computer का use होना चाहिए, and it's a fair use actually.
Yeah.
And then what happened? Then
I wrote
the character.
I worked out the plot and I said, what should it be and how should it work? And it's, you just sit and think, and you think of a scenario, then say, nahi chalega, think of another scenario. It's work. You sit and sort of think through various options and say, this sounds more interesting than that, let's do this.
True.
And I started writing, and I had a target in those days at least that I'll write 1,000 words a day. Now that sounds very ambitious. If the book is 60,000, 70,000 words, you can't finish a novel in 2 months, you don't. But then you don't create 1,000 words every day. Some days are just blank. You sort of sit there and stare at the screen, then you shut it down and go for a walk.
As they say, creative block.
The creative block, I don't know, these are fancy phrases, but it's just that.
Do you believe in creative block after writing 3 books? Tell me. And give me an honest answer.
No,
is there something called creative block?
I don't know what it means. I mean, there are times when your ideas dry up, you don't know what to say next.
True.
So you say, acha yaar, abhi, put it aside for a while. I mean, for example, in the book that I'm writing now, I got stuck for quite a while because I couldn't see how the plot would move forward. So you say, abhi kya hoga aage? Samajh mein nahi aa raha. You think of something not interesting, think something else boring. Then you say, just shut it down for a while.
Are you very critical about your writing?
I am.
Okay.
I am. I mean, although every author feels that every word he writes is a Nobel Prize material, but the fact is that it is not.
It is. Glad you said that.
How do you improve if you are not critical? I mean,
of course.
So it's hard to accept criticism, especially from other people, but it is important.
No, but are you overcritical? Like what I'm coming from is, कई बार ऐसा होता है, you write the entire 1-2 chapters and then you say कि यार नहीं मजा आ रहा, पूरा काटो, वापस से लिखते हैं. And you never know it's actually good, but वो होता है ना कि खुद से satisfaction नहीं मिलता. Are you one of those people?
No, not so drastic.
Okay.
But I don't start writing until I'm reasonably sure of that it's something interesting, reasonably interesting.
Makes sense.
So you can call that a creative block, a writer's block, you can call it anything. But there are times when you run dry a little bit and you say, acha, abhi ruk jao, let it be. And then we'll see after a while. And the plot will come. You keep thinking of alternatives. And you say, no, this doesn't work, acha, aise karte hain.
Makes sense.
So you can call it a blog, you call it anything. It's not a continuous process industry that you sit, at least for me, that you sit and write every day and finish. It doesn't work like that.
True.
हम
लोग सबका अलग प्रोसेस है, सबका अलग तरीका है.
Because किसी का flow इतना clear होता है कि वो 60,000 words, 1,000 words a day, 60 days finished. Great if you can do it.
सबके objectives भी अलग है ना, मतलब for you it's more of a therapy, it's more of an enjoyment process. For a lot of people, it is like just minting money for them, and both are right in their own zone.
Yeah, no, each one. See, what you write for is very personal,
True.
and how your mind works is also very personal.
True.
So, for me, I find that I do have periods when I'm not producing anything. So the book is sitting there, and you say, "Acha, theek hai, you know, we'll let it simmer for a while and then start again."
Makes
So
sense.
that happens.
Makes sense. A question not around the book, but a lot of young budding writers, fiction writers. Very rarely I actually interview fiction writers. ये मतलब this has been in the comments भी कई बार कई लोगों ने बोला कि कभी कोई fiction writers क्यों नहीं आते. So glad I'm talking to you. A lot of people may want to write fiction in their life and may want to publish their novel, book. What happens is a lot of times you get like how should I say? Do you have a poison which makes you actually write more? Like कई लोग कॉफी लेते हैं, कई लोग कुछ गाना सुनते हैं, कईयों का कुछ होता, some may go for a smoke or n number of thing, और कहीं से inspiration आते हैं. Do you go do some kind of a routine, follow some kind of routine and then indulge in writing?
No, a very rough routine, yes. I mean, but again, it's very rough and it doesn't necessarily stick all the time. That, you know, you write for a certain period of time at a certain time of the day.
Okay.
Very roughly, but
And
normally
it varies from person to
normally I would write in the morning,
Okay.
sometime in the morning.
Okay.
And that's also
Because brain fresh है. जो-
what is a reflection of age.
No, certainly not.
After lunch, you know, at this age you say, a little nap is required.
Of course.
So, and that, yes,
वो तो मुझे लगता है वो it should be a mandatory thing for in every Indian environment. स्कूल हो, कॉलेज हो, ऑफिस हो, दोपहर को 2 घंटा सोने का सबको मिलना चाहिए.
2 घंटा ना भी सो, आधा घंटा सो.
आधा घंटा भी मतलब एक पावर नैप मिलना चाहिए.
एक
मतलब
power nap मिलना
चाहिए, वो जरूरी है. आई एम सॉरी मैं आपको दोपहर को बुला लिया इस पॉडकास्ट के लिए.
It's okay.
आपके पावर नैप को आज मैंने खराब किया है.
No
आई विल बी ब्लेम्ड फॉर दिस. देन व्हाट हैपेंड टू द सेकंड बुक? यू कंप्लीटेड दैट इन अनदर 1 year.
In, yeah, less than a year.
Okay.
See, when I gave the manuscript to Preeti and she gave it to Harper,
Preeti is his
is my agent,
agent,
literary
Okay,
agent.
literary agent.
And I said, look, I've started the second one. She said, started का उसकी summary तो दे दो. Give me a synopsis of the second one and give the whole manuscript of the first one.
Okay.
So I gave her the synopsis for the second one, and I had already started working on it.
Okay.
And said, okay, I will try. And the editor at Harper read the full manuscript of the first one and the synopsis of the second one and offered me a 2-book contract. So I was very happy with that. You see, because let me tell you, in the book trade, in the book world, writing a book is one kind of fun. Getting someone to publish it is a separate kind of fun.
True.
And then having somebody actually read it is the third kind of
Oh,
fun. You see, there are 3 categories of fun.
And when the first person, a commissioning editor, actually read the book, उसका मतलब आधा जॉब तो वैसे ही डन है.
तो मतलब नहीं, देखिए, commissioning editor may like it. He gave me a 2-book contract without reading the second manuscript. He just saw the summary. But that is a joy in itself. It doesn't guarantee that anyone will read the book. But the point is, it is one category of fun in the book business, in the book trade.
Agreed.
That somebody whose business is publishing says, हाँ, ये publish करने हैं. That's one satisfaction. Then somebody actually reads the book, it's the second satisfaction.
But ऐसा होता है कभी मतलब if you are stepping into a bookshop, do you actually visit bookshops very often?
Very rarely. I mean, I am not a very strong marketeer, so. But I do occasionally walk. I normally buy books on Amazon, but I do walk into bookshops, and when I do ask for my books.
Okay.
And sometimes I find them, sometimes I don't.
Which is okay.
Which is fine.
बट दुनिया कितनी चेंज हो गई है ना, मतलब आज की डेट में अगर आप मार्केट ना करो तो सब कुछ ही बंटाधार है. मतलब
That's a fact.
आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे पूरा टाइम एक्टिव रहना पड़ेगा, ट्विटर पे डालना पड़ेगा, यहाँ वहाँ 50 जगह 10 चीजें करनी पड़ेगी, उसके बाद ही कुछ होगा.
Very frankly, I am of a different generation, so I don't quite understand how this works. You know, if it works at all.
That's also a good question.
People may see your Twitter feed, but do they act on it? what is the percentage of success? I mean, we know that on the internet, which I worked on, aspects of the internet during my working years, the hit rate is very small.
True.
You do it because it's there and you must be there, you must be present. But what will be the conversion rate? X number, so 100 people see something, how many will act on it? It's not very high.
It's not very high.
Not very
मतलब
high.
अगर आप इन जनरल ऑन ग्राउंड सेल्स का बोलो तो एक बेसिक रूल माना जाता है कि अगर आपको कोई एक सामान बेचना है 10 लोगों तक आप चले जाओ, इंडिया के पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से 10 लोगों तक चले जाओ, एक इंसान तो खरीद ही लेगा, कितना भी बुरा प्रोडक्ट हो, कैसा भी हो, बिक जाएगा।
Exactly.
जो इंटरनेट में और कम है,
और कम है
वो शायद 100 में से 2-4 अगर लेंगे तो लेंगे। अब वो 100 तक पहुंचेंगे कितने, उसका कन्वर्जन कितना होगा, कितनी लॉयल्टी है, एक तो लॉयल्टी फैक्टर भी आ जाता है ना, वहाँ पे लॉयल्टी नहीं है, वहाँ तो
नहीं,
1-to-1 कनेक्ट है।
तो वैसे भी I get this feeling, and I'm not sure if it's correct because I'm not in the business, that the thriller market in India is in English. The thriller market in India in English is not particularly great, not particularly big. There are a few, the mythological thriller type which are big hits,
doing
and so
good,
on, which do well. But other than that, for example, if you see the kind of thrillers that are published in the West, in the English-speaking West, in the UK or in the US, not all of them are wonderful. I mean, some of them are really great writers, but some of them are pretty pedestrian, but they are there. That means they are selling something. So there is a market, there is a big market for the thriller genre.
But you've been reading books from ages, right?
Yeah.
Do you think कि in general book का market ही कम हो गया है इंडिया में? That's also true.
I
right?
strongly think so. That's what it appears to me, because it's a business. It's something which has to be sort of examined by a professional, study. But you don't have data.
Yeah, agreed.
But the point is, a lot of the so-called educated literary class is more into the award-winning fiction. कि ये Booker वाली list पर. If you go to a book club, you find a lot of them, not all, कि Booker वाली list. Whether they are fond of that kind of thing or not doesn't matter.
No.
So I've noticed this, that very few people, not very many people that I know, and this very anecdotal evidence is not, big evidence, that very few people are into thriller reading. The way we used to be when we were young, that, स्कारलेट पिम्परनेल की किताबें हम और हमारे दोस्त एक्सचेंज करते थे, और तेरे को ये मिल गई और ला मेरे को दे दे,
नहीं, इवन इन हिंदी, मतलब चाचा चौधरी अगर वो थ्रिलर में आता है तो मतलब करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, अगर वो थ्रिलर में आता है उसका एक अलग क्रेज था।
There was used to be a big deal. I mean, come on, Gulshan Nanda is not thriller, but Gulshan Nanda you sell like insane.
True.
A light sort of thing that you buy on the train and you read through it and then you give it away.
आजकल ट्रेन में किताबें नहीं मिलती, आप प्लेटफॉर्म में चले जाओ, आपको बुक्स नहीं मिलती, एक आध कोई रैंडम मिल जाए तो मिल जाए। मैं ट्रेन से ट्रैवल अभी भी करता हूँ और बहुत ज़्यादा करता हूँ, मुझे नहीं दिखती ट्रेन में। मेरे पास खैर बुक्स का अंबार लगा हुआ है, थैंक्स टू ऑल द पब्लिकेशन हाउस, बट देन टू मैं एक्सप्लोर करता हूँ कि बुक शेल्फ में क्या क्या रखा हुआ है। नहीं दिखती, किताबें नहीं दिखती, कोई खरीदता ही नहीं है। लास्ट टाइम मुझे याद भी नहीं है मैंने ट्रेन में कब किसी को बुक पढ़ते हुए देखा।
No, in general I find that the older group
still
reads books, the younger group doesn't read so much. But then maybe
which is a worrisome point.
Which is very worrisome, but I don't know, maybe. You see, again, it's a question of bias. हमारे ज़माने में और कुछ होता ही नहीं था भाई, तो किताबें थी, टेलीविज़न तो खैर you not imagine what television was like when we were young. I mean, you said we don't want this.
नहीं, और ट्रेन में एंटरटेनमेंट का और कोई जरिया ही नहीं था ना। मतलब अगर आप चुप रहते हो, इंट्रोवर्टेड हो और किसी से आप बात नहीं कर सकते हो तो आप क्या करोगे?
कुछ नहीं,
या तो आप सोओगे या तो आप किताब पढ़ोगे, इसके अलावा तीसरा कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था।
अब तो
गाने तो थे नहीं,
अब गाने सुन सकते हो,
गाने सुन
फिल्म देख सकते हो,
सब कर सकते हो। अब आप अगर इंटरनेट सही चल गया तो आप पूरे दिन इंस्टाग्राम में रील स्क्रॉल भी
करते रहो।
तो
yes, no, you're creating your own entertainment. You see, earlier somebody wrote a book for you. Now you're writing your own life story and you are reading my life story, I'm reading yours, which some of our generation find funny. Ki, had my cereal, LOL. Arey yaar, so what if you had your cereal? I also had my cereal. How does it change anybody's life? But then that's just saying that you don't understand. The answer that the younger generation gives me is that you don't understand. You're too old.
True.
ठीक है, maybe I don't.
Do you get that kind of feedback from games?
Sometimes, but the reading, again, you see, all this is anecdotal. That maybe we were also an exception. I don't know. But now I don't know. But I find thrillers particularly, चाहे वो शुरुआत में बच्चों वाली थ्रिलर्स होती थी, बिगल्स, गिमलेट, you know, all sorts of stuff. Basically, nowadays, the English authors, not the Americans so much. Ab, I don't see any youngster reading, stuff that we used to read. Maybe those books are no longer published, they are out of print, and maybe there are other authors writing entertainments for young people. I don't know. But
God knows.
But
thriller की definition भी बहुत evolve हो गई है ना. That's also a point.
Thriller is a very very big term. Thriller मतलब क्या? मतलब डिटेक्टिव,
उसमें क्राइम भी आ जाता है, डिटेक्टिव भी आ जाता है. मोस्टली डिटेक्टिव.
क्राइम तो जेनरिक है.
हाँ.
कि भाई क्राइम, सभी कुछ क्राइम.
मोस्टली डिटेक्टिव होता है.
बट पहले होता था मर्डर. अगाथा क्रिस्टी ने जो लाखों किताबें लिखी हैं,
मर्डर मिस्ट्री,
जो मुझे पसंद नहीं, बिल्कुल बकवास. बिकॉज दैट जनरेशन रोट पजल्स. जैसे जिक्सॉ पजल है, ये हुआ फिर ये हुआ, ये हुआ,
सब जोड़ दिया लास्ट में.
मर्डर. दैट वाज जस्ट वन स्टाइल.
ट्रू.
Whereas,
बट वो बिका वो मासी था.
बेतहाशा
बिका.
सही बात. तो because it was a puzzle, you can switch off and say, अच्छा यार, अब क्या हुआ, किसने किया, कैसे हुआ. There used to be one author, it used to be actually a group of authors writing as Ellery Queen, and in some books, I forget which ones, they have said कि now you have as much information as the detective has. Can you find out who is the murderer? एक किताब में तो कम से कम मुझे याद है, पता नहीं हर किताब में तो था कि नहीं, कि अब आपके पास वही इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो डिटेक्टिव के पास है. आप बताइए मर्डर कौन है.
वेरी कूल.
सो
कितना एंगेजिंग है.
एंड दैट वाज अ पजल. दैट बुक वाज अबाउट अ पजल कि ये पजल है, सॉल्व करो. Whereas the other more simpler thrillers like this were that there is good, there is evil, evil is battling good. It is maar, dhaad, action, conspiracy, crime, but fundamentally it is crime.
It's crime.
But crime treated in a different fashion. Crime not as puzzle कि कौन था, उसमें कौन था साफ लिखा है, लेकिन क्या हुआ is more important. How did this guy overcome that guy?
True.
So it's not a puzzle about who did it. It's a question of how did he
do it. True.
So it's just various sort of variations on the theme.
Can I be honest and continue your statement what you were saying कि आजकल लिखे इसलिए ज़्यादा नहीं जा रहे हैं, maybe because प्राइमरली जो ऑथर्स या राइटर्स थे वो अब ये सोचते हैं कि यार अगर मैं थ्रिलर लिख रहा हूँ तो मैं काम करता हूँ, इसको जाके नेटफ्लिक्स को भी पिच कर लेता हूँ, प्राइम को भी पिच कर लेता हूँ, यहाँ भी डाल दूंगा, वहाँ भी डाल दूंगा, इसकी सीरीज भी बना लूंगा. तो शायद जो एक बुक या नॉवेल लिखने का जो प्यार था वो कहीं ना कहीं एवेड होता है.
Possibly. I mean, नहीं, it is just they are not exceptions. You can write a good thriller and अब जैसे जैक रीचर के सीरीज बनने लगी हैं, तो
हैरी पॉटर तो
खैर a book was mad. I mean, I remember हम लोग को कब उठ के जाना पड़ता था कि because my son said ये किताब निकल रही है कल, अच्छा भैया जा रहे हैं.
अरे बाप रे.
Whatever.
He is a big Harry Potter fan.
Now he was. I mean, he still is. I think he's far too old for that. But so and then the movies. I mean, they were a hit too. I mean, I personally didn't read the books except the first one, which was fine. But
movies you saw all 8.
I saw right? 1 or 2. I was not very. But the issue is that you can have both, ना?
Yeah, of course.
किताब भी पढ़ सकते हैं, आप मूवी भी देख सकते हैं.
और दोनों है तो सेम दुनिया, लेकिन प्रेजेंटेशन या जो आप उससे निकालोगे वो थोड़ा अलग है, slightly अलग है.
No, it's in fact that is maybe one explanation. I don't know that an audio-visual medium has more impact than a written medium. I don't know. This written medium requires to stimulate your imagination and you live in that world. Whereas here the world is in front of you. कि अंधेरा है, हीरो जा रहा है. You know, it's a more immediate stimulus.
It may be impactful, but we certainly have to take a stand one day for the entire society to figure out कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. It's not about क्या impactful है, क्योंकि impactful तो कई चीजें होंगी. अब मतलब एग्जाम्पल्स मेरे दिमाग में बतेरे आ जाएंगे अगर मैं बोलना चाहूँ, लेकिन वो ठीक है.
नहीं, वो ठीक है, बराबर है. बट द इशू इज स्टिल दैट इट इज अ फैक्ट दैट एन ऑडियो विजुअल इज 2 sets of stimuli.
True.
But reading a book
Rather 3.
is just one, that you are reading something and you are
Imagine.
creating it in your head.
Head.
So it is in that sense an effort on your part.
True.
यहाँ तो उसने क्रिएट करके आपको सामने दे दिया,
दिया।
आप स्विच ऑफ कर दो माइंड को और देखते जाओ आपके सामने हो।
सही बात है। लेकिन सोचो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग होता अगर हैरी पॉटर फिल्म नहीं आती और आप 10 लोगों को दिखाते, बुक पढ़ने देते और बोलते अब तुम हैरी पॉटर को ड्रॉ करो। सबकी डेफिनेशन हैरी पॉटर की कितनी अलग
हो
होती,
जाती।
कितनी हाउ शुड आई से, कितनी ड्रीमी डेफिनेशन होती। कोई हैरी पॉटर को इतना क्यूट नहीं बच्चा बनाता, हो सकता कोई बड़ा विकेट बच्चा बनाता, रॉन वीजली टाइप का बच्चा बनता हैरी पॉटर, यू नेवर नो क्या होता।
Yeah, no, but then you see, you can't put the genie back in the box. You see, the
It is already out.
audio-visual medium has
Evolved.
exploded onto the human scene. So, and the stimulus is right there. Somebody else has created it for you. लाल रंग है, पीला रंग है, अंधेरी रात है, उसने बना दिया, आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can switch your mind off, and it's a very passive, in that sense, a very passive medium. That you just sit back, switch everything off, and the world is in front of
Chill
you.
करिए।
Here you have to, that author is poking you कि ये मैं दुनिया बना रहा हूँ, देखो तुम. तो you have to see it yourself. Which
इसलिए शायद ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग है आज के डेट
is not so easy. It's much easier to lie back on the sofa, switch on and say, अरे वाह, एक नई दुनिया मेरे सामने है. यहाँ तो दुनिया आपको अपने मन में बनानी पड़ती.
बट यही तो मजा है।
नहीं, मजा तो है.
मजा तो है।
हमने तो जिंदगी भर यही किया, लेकिन हमारी जिंदगी अदर्स में नोट.
सही बात है, सही बात है। अब बात करते हैं जो ब्रांड न्यू किताब आई है 2024 में, हिमालयन रिफ्यूज। इसकी क्या कहानी है? ये दो तो जितने लोग बुक नॉवेल्स पढ़ते हो उन्होंने अगर पढ़ी है तो बहुत बढ़िया। ये बिल्कुल ब्रांड न्यू आई है, हिमालयन रिफ्यूज। इसकी क्या कहानी है, क्या होता है? ये भी किडनैपिंग के अराउंड है?
नहीं, इट्स ये बेसिकली किडनैपिंग भी है, इसमें लैंड ग्रैब भी है. टेकन फ्रॉम अगेन a very rough kind of thing which is happening in the Kumaon, you ask, or in the entire Himalayas, that suddenly people have realized the value of land, especially जो land प्लेन से बहुत दूर नहीं है, where you can pick up your car on a Friday afternoon
and go
and reach and spend 2 days and come back on Monday for work.
True.
Now, for that kind of tourist, and especially in summer when the children are on holiday and it's hot in the plains and it's cool upstairs, so an accessible distance from the plains, not too deep in the interior, land values have gone through the roof. It's a fact.
Yeah.
I mean, people are
10
talking.
times.
People are talking in crores. मतलब वहाँ करोड़ का नाम
किसी ने
पहाड़
सुना
में कभी सुना नहीं था. होता क्या है कि नहीं अब तो 25 लाख नाली. मैंने कहा 25 लाख नाली फरिश्तों ने नहीं देखी तुम्हारे, तुम्हें चाहिए, उन कहाँ चाहिए, और आप नहीं दोगे कोई और देगा. You see, so the commercial value of land close to the plains, say if we talk about the Kumaon, say the Nainital, Bhimtal, Mukteshwar तो साउथ न्यू दिल्ली साउथ एक्सटेंशन बन गया है. Everyone in साउथ एक्सटेंशन is living मुक्तेश्वर.
मतलब मुझे ये लग रहा है कितने लोग मुक्तेश्वर में घर खरीद के बैठे हैं.
अब आप बताइए, परसों खबर आई है कि खैरना का ब्रिज गिर गया है. खैरना के पहाड़ तो हमेशा से, जब से मैं बच्चा था तब से वो सड़क गिरती ही रहती थी. मानसून इज वेरी वीक. द हिमालयज आर वेरी यंग माउंटेन एंड दे वेरी fragile. And we have huge road construction, we have huge house building, होटल पे होटल बन गए. नैनीताल में आप देखिए कभी जाके, the Nainital we knew is not the Nainital. I don't like to go to Nainital anymore because it is, I might as well go to South Extension. Why should I go to Nainital, you know? It's horrible. So, but that is commercially valuable, so that's it, that's what happens. So, with
commercial viable for whom?
For the hotelier, for the hotelier, for the investor who's not always necessarily a local hillman. Local hillmen are also very wealthy, but there are very few. So there are outside investors and there are of course local big fellows. But the issue is with the huge increase in the value of land in the hills, there is huge construction. The land values are shot through the roof. So a logical criminal sort of thought is, let's grab some good land. So that is where this story begins, that Gautam Shukla, after quitting the army and he's moving to a small estate which he inherited from his grandfather in the hills. It's a very small estate, but he's worked hard on it. His grandfather lived there and worked on it and created a little oasis,
ठीक है.
in the, not quite desert, in the mountains. And he retires there and he wants to, sort of just live there, grow some food, grow some fruit, encourage the forests and so on. And somebody who's into land grabbing says कि यार, finds a party in Delhi कि बॉस आपको बहुत बढ़िया रिजॉर्ट के लिए जगह दिलवाएंगे, छोटा है लेकिन इतना छोटा भी नहीं है, बढ़िया गार्डन वार्डन बनाइएगा, होटल बनाइएगा. उनका फोटो वोटो खींची और दे दी उनको. इट्स नॉट इन द बुक बट इट्स इन बैकग्राउंड. एंड ऑब्वियसली द गाई सेज ओके, रेट बताओ. ही सर रेट मैं बताऊंगा, पहले खाली करवा देता हूँ. So he doesn't know that Gautam Shukla is the owner.
Living there.
And Gautam Shukla is not there. That's how it starts.
Achha.
He's out and his old caretaker Tiwari ji is there, old man. So these guys come there and beat him up. They break two fingers and say, कर्नल साहब को बता दो कि बहुत दूर है, यहाँ से हॉस्पिटल भी बहुत दूर है, यहाँ रहना खतरनाक है. हम आएंगे, जब वो आ जाएंगे अच्छा दाम देंगे और बेच दें. And goes away. So this is the core, that there is a gang of thugs in the Kumaon had no crime. There was no crime. Local की दारू पी के किसी ने किसी को पीट दिया या otherwise there's no, there was no sort of organized crime in the hills. Never was. But it has begun now. That is the fiction. And so this guy is looking at prime property. He finds his prime property and says with a threat that
we'll grab it.
And he's at the same time, you see, normally in many thrillers, you have, in all my books at least, you have two threads which go on in parallel and then come together. So one thread is a kidnapping thread, and one thread is this land grab, which turns out that the same gang is doing in the end.
सब जगह कर.
शुरू से अलग है कि some foreigners are kidnapped who are very important, children of very important people in Europe. They call the government and say यार कुछ करिए, तो नहीं, we'll find out क्या हो रहा है. So they go, they set a whole team कि भाई पता करो, ये चिल्ला रहे हैं वो लोग, प्रेसिडेंट का फोन आ गया. ठीक है, एक तरफ किडनैपिंग चल रही, एक तरफ ये लैंड ग्रैब चल रहा है.
और वो जाके मिल
जाते हैं.
वाह,
ये कहानी है.
बाकी मतलब इसके अगर चटकारे लेके अच्छे से इमेजिन करना है, so you have to read this book, Himalayan Refuge. This is by Speaking Tiger by Amitabh Pandey, a Gautam Shukla thriller. Available at the bookshelf near you, किसी भी बुक स्टोर या ऑनलाइन भी आप परचेज कर सकते हो.
ऑनलाइन तो है.
ऑनलाइन तो है. अब बिना ऑनलाइन के कहाँ दुनिया चल रही है?
नहीं चलती.
ऑन दैट नोट बहुत शुक्रिया फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस, टेकिंग आउट टाइम. मैंने आपकी आफ्टरनून नैप को बर्बाद किया है, एंड इट वाज फन टू हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विद यू, नॉट जस्ट अराउंड द बुक बट इन जनरल. हमने जो बातें की, बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you very much. Great fun to be here. And don't worry, I can do without a nap once in a while.
Thank you.
Thank you.